or the learning outcomes. This group can deal with the first objectives.
Convert units of measure, length, mass, and volume from smaller to larger and vice versa.
How about this group?
Solve word problems involving units of measures of length, mass, and volume.
Alright, now let's forward to the length. So the length is the distance between 2 points and it can be measured by meters, kilometers,
And
centimeters, and even inches. Now in this table, we have 2 points, right? And it can be measured by length. Okay, next is the mass. Mass is the amount of the matter in an object. It can be measured with grams, kilograms, pounds. Okay. And mga object na example are the scale, nasa tindahan, and weights. Next is the volume. The volume is the amount of space taken up by an object. It is measured by liters, milliliters, and even gallons. Okay. So this will be the equivalation between the length, mass, and volume. So in 1 meter, there will be 100 centimeters. And in 1 kilometer, there will be
100,000 centimeters.
in 1 kilometer,
1,000 meters.
and for mass, and for the mass, 1 kilogram is equivalent to,
1,000 grams.
and for the volume, 1 liter is equivalent to.
1,000 millimeter.
So those are the length, mass, volume, and repetition. Okay, we have the rules. From bigger to smaller unit, we need to multiply. And from smaller to bigger unit, you need to divide. Okay. So we have the following problem solving example. Number 1 is how many meters are in 4 kilometers. So since we already know that in 1 kilometer there will in 1 kilometer there will be 1,000 meters. So we need to what? Multiply. So 1,000 and the given is 4 kilometers. So okay, 4 times 0. Okay, and that's the answer. Got it?
Yes, teacher.
Is it easy?
Yes, teacher. How about the divide, teacher?
Okay, we go next example. How many centimeters are in 1/2 meters? We already know that in 1 centimeters, 5 meters, there are 100 meters. So we're going to what? Multiply again. 1/2. How many meters in centimeters? 100. So 100. Okay. Over 1. Because 1 times 100. 2 times what? 2. Okay, then divide 100 to 2. Sakto ba?
Yes.
50, teacher.
50. Alright, so 50 will be the answer for the example number 2. So, do you understand?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, done. Okay, let's forward to example number 3. So, how many grams are in 3/4 kilograms? So, mass. Nandito na tayo sa mass. In 1 kg, you are 1,000 grams. But first, we need to convert this in decimal form. Since these long numbers, hindi natin siya kailangan i-abila sa decimal point. So, we're going to divide this fraction form with 1/4. And we already know that 4 divided by 1 cannot be, right?
Yes.
But since 8 kailangan natin siya i-ano, manuman. So, we need to answer this one to get the decimal form. So, we are going to add
0.0.
0.0. So, 4 divided by 10.
2.
1. I think
2.
2.
2.
2. Then, 2. Na lang. Okay. So, we bring down our 10 minus 8.
2.
2. Then we add 0 again. Then bring down. So 20 divided by 4. 5. And 20 minus 20.
0.
0. So the answer is 0.25 in the decimal form. Now, let's add the 3 plus 0.25. What will be the result? Of course, 3.25. And since in 1 kg there are 1,000 grams, we need to multiply the 3.25. Right. The 3.25 into 1,000. So
3,000.
0, 0, 0, 5. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, and then 0, 0, 0, 3. 0, 0, 0, 5, 2, 3. Since Muhammad is willing to move to 1, 2. So the answer will be 3,250. Okay, did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Alright, now let's move on to the example number 4. I'm giving everyone in 5 letters how many milliliters? So we are going to solve the milliliters. So we are going to multiply 1,000 times
5.
liters. So 0, 0, 0, and then
5.
this will be the answer. Now you are going to practice your understanding based on this. Who wants to volunteer? Okay, Lisa, natuloy mo yung number in front of the hand.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
1 go. Number 3.
Gamang lagi ka po.
Number 3 go.
Kuya, kasi yung number 1 ako.
Sana number 4, number
1,000
Yeah.
times 3 plus 8,000 grams. Answer.
Good boy. Oh, sige, sorry.
Kaya ako, bida-bida lang.
Alam mo naman kung saan number.
Ako nga number 2.
Number 5.
Mali ko, ani. Ano?
Ay, number 4. Ay, naku.
Multiplier na ka na. Asan ba?
Sama na.
Diyan. Ano?
Isa na number.
Divide.
Number 5.
Ano? Divide. Matawag na divide.
Ay,
1,000.
Wala yung record mo.
invite mo. Ni, ano ka times ka lang?
Asan man sa
Wait. Tingnan ka na.
Okay, let's check your answers. So let's check your answer. So in 2 meters, 2 centimeters, there are 200 because there are going to times 100 to 2.
Times 2.
Okay, number 1 check. Number 2 is
How many kilograms are there?
Okay, number 2. So the rule here is they use division. Okay, so 1,000 divided by 1,000 divided by 1,000, 2. So the answer is 2. So
Number 3.
so number 3 is you are going to multiply. Okay, number 3 you are going to multiply the kilogram to gram. Since the gram is 1,000, so 1,000 times 3. So it is 3,000 gram. Number 4, 5 kilometers to centimeter. So again, we use multiply. So 100,000 times 5. Of course, it is 500,000. Algo, number 1.
Number 2 kilometers.
How many?
Christine, number 2.
Teacher, wala lagi may price.
Jason, number 3.
That's the numbers where I
5,000 meter.
Times. Ano ang answer?
1,000 meters. Meter divided by 5,000 meters. 5 kilometers.
Okay, let's check for answer. So, Annalisa won 5,000 meters run during the university. How many kilometers did she run? So, I will use the multiplication to measure the meters into kilometers. So, the answer is, one is, check. Number 2, how many 250 ml of oil are needed to fill a bottle with a capacity of 5 liters? So, Montenegro use the multiplication. So, 5,000, then divided into 250. The result is 20 bottle of oil. Now, number 3, Randy was able to sell 5 bottles of 350 ml perfume and 3 bottles of 750 milliliter perfume. Now, the question is, how many liters of perfume did he sell in all? So, first you are going to times 8 into the bottles. So, 350 times 5, 8. Then, next is the 750 times 3. So, after this, you are going to add this 2. Then, this will be the result.
Good.
Yes.
4,000
Meters.
I bet that you all understanding our lesson today. That's